Hey everyone! Did you know Solflare Wallet has over 3 million active users worldwide, and it is one of the most powerful crypto wallet, managing over $12 billion in self-custody assets on Solana. In this video, we will learn how to set up Solflare Wallet in just a few clicks. Go to Solflare Wallet homepage and click download now. All the links are mentioned in the description below for easy reference. Click add to add Solflare Wallet extension. Confirm the pop-up to add extension. Choose I need a new wallet. Now this is a very important step. A secret recovery phrase will be generated. This secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet and funds on chain. You can use this key to access your funds from any device via Solflare Wallet on chain. Write it on a piece of paper and store it safely. It may be required later on to restore your wallet. Never store it digitally, either in the form of a photo or any other form. Remember, whoever has access to this key has access to your funds on this wallet. Click I saved my recovery phrase. Next, you will be prompted to confirm your recovery phrase. Click continue. Next, you will be prompted to set a password. Remember, this password will only unlock your wallet on this device. Click continue. Next, you will be prompted to open your wallet. Click I agree and let's go. Congratulations! Your Solflare wallet is protected and ready to use. We have seen how to add Solflare wallet to your browser. You can follow the same steps to install the wallet on your mobile by going to the App Store on Android or iOS. Now that you are familiar with setting up a Solflare wallet, you may also explore RocketX app that simplifies crypto trading and helps you get the best rate with every swap by comparing rates across 500 plus leading exchanges. Compare rates and ape smart. Please check the video link in the description below for how to RocketX video tutorial. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.